Hello, everyone. Hope your day is going well. It's an exciting day, and it's always exciting when it's time for an unboxing, and that's what we have today. None other than our friends at Dooney and Bourke. You know what this is. I am glad you joined today, but we have an unboxing from Dooney and Bourke and focusing on MLB. Little did I know that Dooney and Bourke has a extensive line of MLBs, and you're seeing now this is an extra treat as I open this box. I'm just taking my time opening this box. But these I actually ordered from TikTok. They are official MLB and they are bag charms. This one here is from the representing the New York Yankees. Love this. The zipper works really well on this. It looks nice. The striking white on that dark navy blue. You'll love that. So, as we get started, we have a couple of items. I'm going to jump back to Junie really quick here. And the first item that we're going to show you is the MLB Kiss Lock. You don't have to wait for baseball season in order to represent your team. Dooney allows you to do it. Look, allows you. Once you purchase it, you can wear your accessories or bags wherever you want to wear them. But there is, if you've been following Coach has a big Kiss Lock it bag that everyone's getting. But this Dooney and Bourke has been around for a while, and it is actually representing MLB teams. Now, for me, I have purchased the one specifically for the Mets here. So, what I have my receipt here. Get to it, lady. Okay, we're going to finally get to it. I know it looks like I'm very, very long winded in this video. And what do we have here? Here it is. Isn't that beautiful? In the ostrich print. It has the gold plate with the New York emblem on there for the New York Mets. My bonus dad was a huge New York Mets fan. So I got this so that I can always remember him when I'm carrying these bags. He's a big, huge baseball fan. Loved the Mets. He just absolutely loved the Mets. So when I saw this, I said, I had to get it. And it's pretty large. I opened this up, taking some packaging out. It has some card slots in there on both sides of the little wallet. I'm calling it little, but the name of it is a large Kiss Lock coin purse. But I think I can use it and put more things in there. I can't wait to see what I can fit in there. And I think I'll be able to fit a lot of my little trinkets that I carry with me in this little Kiss Lock coin purse. Along with that, we did not stop there. Or I didn't. I wanted to get another SLG, and this is what I'm showing you now. This is also from Dooney and Bourke. It was shipped together, which is great because sometimes I get their packages separately. And this is a wristlet in the same print as the Kiss Lock that I just showed you. It's also the New York Mets emblem on the front, the leather ostrich print. It has the strap, and when we look inside, we have some paperwork. Let's take this out for a moment here, and let's see. Yes, so it is a open space in here. You know, they always have those cards in there. And there is a little slip pocket in this wristlet as well. So maybe you could put a couple of cards or something there. Some, maybe you can use this to put some of your, I call them trinkets, but it could be more of like your bathroom stuff, or you may want to use it as a candy pouch. But I would really put essentials in here. Maybe my lippy, eyeliner, those sort of things that I need. Lotion, I would put in here, cuticle oils, things like that is what I would carry in this wristlet. I do like that the strap, you can use it and just loop it around so you can carry it separately and not have to carry a whole bag. But you cannot take the whole strap off. It's just one end of the wristlet that you can take off. So that's the two SLGs. But now let's get ready for the star of the show. And I love drawstring bags. And who is going to the baseball game without representing their team? And here we are from Dooney and Bourke. We have purchased the drawstring New York Yankees bag in this coated cotton material with the natural tone leather accents, and this bag looks beautiful. So with the drawstring, you can pull the tab to open the bag to its widest length. Having a little trouble here. Okay, here we go. Yes, so we can pull it off. It is stuffed pretty well, and you have the zipper in the front. Love a pocket on a purse. Love a pocket on a purse. And there we go. It's all stuffed with Dooney and Bourke packaging to keep the shape of the bag. There is also a shoulder strap that comes along with this bag. So it's not a crossbody, but a shoulder strap, which is fine. That works for me. I like shoulder strap bags. And it is, this is, looks like the key. Yep, there's the key strap here that is in the inside of the bag. This is going to be nice. Now, avid baseball fans, they would never mix New York Yankees and New York Mets together. So who knows? I go to the field and I may get something thrown at me for having both of the teams. But look, I'm a New York girl, but I want to represent my bonus dad, who is a New York Mets fan as well. So I wanted to put both of them together, and I hope that is not just such a bad profile that I should not be doing that. But hey, it's all in fun. It's all in fun. All right, so I think I'm gonna like this. I like the wideness of the strap, and my goodness, the padding in this bag, everything they put in here to keep it in shape. Well, I don't know if we're ever gonna get to the bottom of the bag here. We'll finally get there. What do we have? Anything else? Anything else? Yep, we're all empty. And there it is, the interior. There is a zipper pocket, and there is also a slip pocket in the inside to organize some of your items. And then you can clip your key on the key strap. And see how tight the bag goes when you tighten the strap. And let me show you what it looks like on me. I am 5'4", and like I heard one of a YouTuber say, in a whole lot of pounds. Yes, and a whole lot of pounds for me right now. So this is how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, I didn't realize those earrings work so well with that. I have to make sure I remember that. But this is my New York Yankees drawstring bag. I have the accessories that are going to go with this bag. So I am excited. I am ready. I'm ready for the baseball games. Now, I have two grandsons that play baseball too. Do you not think I'm going to carry this bag to those games? I will. I will carry this bag as well. All right. I hope you like this, and head on over to Dooney if to find your team, because you may want to get this. You should hurry and go. And hurry up and go get it. It's available. Okay, guys, I was just super excited. I didn't even see where I had written down the price for these bags, but they are in my journal here. So this drawstring, I was able to get this one. It was $72.80. The wristlet, let's see, I'm gonna pull all these out. The wristlet was $52. Obsessed. And the large Kiss Lock coin purse was $44. Each of these items has the official, the bag had the official MLB. Let's see. You can try to tilt that so you can see it. Tag. And also, I picked up this blue. I think this may be the jean blue. This may be jean. I don't think it's navy. Denim. I'm calling it jean, but denim. Yes, this is the denim blue. And I had ordered this. I'm getting fingerprints on it already. But I ordered all of these items together, and I got this at a good price. It was $48.80. So I was able to get these three SLGs and also the drawstring bag. So there you go. I am super excited. I just went to tell my grandson that this is the bag I'm going to carry to his baseball game. So when I have to go to his baseball games, I will be sporting New York Yankees, New York Mets accessories at all of the baseball games for his middle school. All right, there we go. Super excited about this. If you're interested, head on out to I Love Dooney. I got these from I Love Dooney. And I didn't check to see if they still had any in stock, but you may want to see if they do, because these are really good prices for the quality. You can't go wrong.
Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget